once again.
Hello, it's Jimmy here again, another O'Reilly's, and in our previous video we looked at this Vauxhall Vivaro. It wouldn't start and it had the oil pressure fault on the dash. Let's go inside and show you. So just here on the dash it did have the oil pressure warning and the vehicle would crank and not start. And if we look down here under the floor, we've got the battery. I'll take off this cover. And right here you had a fuse that's blowing. So that was blown. We replaced it with this fuse, just as temporary, just to see if the fault returns, and indeed it has. It has blown that fuse again after maybe a week of driving. So we've looking for the fault and we seem to have found it. Just come down in here. Just there you got a cable that's rubbing against this metal bracket. You can see there where it's chafed a little bit through. What I've done here is just insulated that for a minute. Now we're going to cover it with something a little bit more sturdy. Right, obviously because we are roadside, we've just come out to look at it. This could ideally do with the proper replacement parts. That something's missing here. Proper bracket that's missing, and the covering. So what I've done is just got a temporary for the fix it is got this tube, cut it in half, and I'm going to slide that over that bracket down there to stop the sharp edges. Sorry, it's not a good angle. It's just like that. Just push that over there. That's going to stop the wires from rubbing against there. Now we're going to cover this wire with some more tubing and then insulate all of it. It's got a little piece of tube in here. We're going to cover the wire with the breakage. It's already insulated, but we're going to cover it with this and then tighten it up with some cable ties. That should protect it. Now we've put some cable ties on there just to protect it like that, and we've got the rubber tubing protecting it there. Now we'll just insulate this from one end to the other, cover it, and we should be all done. Now we've just insulated that up, and that should do until we can, or until the customer here can get these replacement parts from somewhere. Then it'll do the job. Now back inside, we can take this temporary fuse off, and we've got a proper replacement here for it, so we'll put that on. And the next one, put that back in there, get this hooked up. A second bolt, get that back on there too. Now we can tighten these back up. Now we'll erase these fault codes. All done.